Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are putting two e-commerce giants head-to-head, Shopify versus Wix. If you are looking to sell products online, these two platforms relate to very different business needs, and picking the right one depends entirely on your growth plans. Shopify is the undisputed king of dedicated e-commerce. It's a specialized tool built specifically to move products. The steps to setting up a Shopify store relate directly to high-volume sales. It features the world's best one-page checkout, advanced inventory management across multiple locations, and a massive app store for scaling things like international shipping and complex tax calculations later on. Most importantly, Shopify offers a forever free plan, so you can build and test your entire site before spending a cent. On the other hand, we have Wix, which relates to a more curated and structured experience. Instead of pixel-perfect dragging, Squarespace uses a grid-based system called Fluid Engine. This ensures that no matter what you move, your site stays looking professional and polished. It is the gold standard for creatives, photographers, and high-end brands who want a sophisticated look with minimal effort. While it doesn't have a free plan, only a 14-day trial, its templates are widely considered the most beautiful in the industry. When you compare the two, the decision comes down to your software personality. Squarespace is like a blank canvas where you can build anything, making it better for unique businesses or those who want to experiment for free. Squarespace is like a high-end designer showroom where the boundaries keep you from making a bad design choice. Both are powerful, but Wix's flexibility and free entry point make it the top recommendation for most people starting out. That is the breakdown. If this quick comparison helped you figure out where to host your products, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech reviews. Drop a comment below letting me know what you're planning to sell, and I will see you in the next video.